In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import into an existing Asana project. If you have a spreadsheet of tasks and want them added to a project you already use, this walkthrough will show you the quickest, cleanest way to get it done. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Asana and click through to the official Asana site. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your workspace. From there, you'll land in Asana's home area, where you can find your projects. Open the project you want to import into. You can do this by selecting it from the sidebar or using the search bar at the top. Any view is fine, list, board, or timeline, because we're about to use the project's main action menu, which is the same across views. Look toward the top center of the screen and find the small arrow next to your project's name. That opens the Project Actions menu. Click the arrow, then choose Import. In the Import options, select CSV. CSV is the most reliable way to bring in a batch of tasks from a spreadsheet, and it preserves columns like task name, description, due date, and more. Next, click Select a CSV file to import. Choose your file from your device and click Open. Before you upload, a quick tip. Make sure your spreadsheet has clear column headers in the first row, such as task name, description, assignee, due date, and any other fields you plan to use. Keep dates consistent and use plain text for sections or custom fields. This helps Asana recognize and match your data correctly. After the file is selected, click Make Changes. This is where Asana shows you a preview and how it plans to map your columns to fields in the project. Take a moment to confirm that the task name column is correctly identified, due dates look right, and any sections or custom field columns are understood. If something doesn't look correct, adjust it within this screen until the preview reflects what you expect. When everything looks good, click Continue to project. Asana will import your tasks into the existing project. Depending on the size of your CSV, this can take a moment. Once complete, you'll see your new tasks appear. If anything seems off, you can refine your CSV and repeat the import, or tidy up directly in the project by editing tasks in bulk. That's it. Your spreadsheet is now part of your Asana project, ready for your team to use and track.